Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? This is going to be another small little series. This is going to be I don't know, it might be like an ongoing kind of thing because this is something that I do on a daily basis. I have a lot of clients. Sometimes I have one-timers. The majority of my clients do this constantly. They bring me photos or they go, oh, I saw this picture up. And I do a lot of recreating, and I definitely, when I recreate, I always make sure that I give the person the proper acknowledgement, because, you know, if it's not me who originally created it, you have to give credit to those who have originally created it. So this one here, you know, when you're scrolling through your Facebook and you see, you know, ads that kind of pertain to you personally. I order a lot of things off of AliExpress, and I was kind of scrolling through my little side scroll thingy. It's like, oh, AliExpress, this is for sale, this is for sale. And I came across these water decals, and it's from a company called Full Beauty. I have a little screenshot. I'm gonna stick the picture in after my face here. So those are the photos, and I saw those and I literally thought to myself, I'm like, you know what? I think I can repaint those. I think I can do those by hand on nails. So that is exactly what I did. It was a weekend. I'm usually closed on the weekend, so I don't have people on the weekends. And I was just like, I'm going to challenge myself, and I think I can recreate these. So these next is going to be like a little Bailey breakdown, I guess. I don't know. We'll call it Bailey breakdown. So whenever I find something and I want to recreate it, that's what I'm going to be calling it on my channel here. So this one is my favorite. I'm also going to insert a photo because I did this on a client also. So I'm going to insert that photo. And it's super fun. They're like little tattoo decals. So I call it like tattoo nail art. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to adjust the camera, pause, angle down. I'm going to show you guys because I have bigger ones, and I'm basically I want to see if I can break them all down into smaller nails. So I'm going to pause, adjust the camera. We're going to go down here and we're going to recreate this one once again. So pause. right, so there that one is all complete. Just to see, yeah, it does fit on a smaller nail. You can make it fit on a smaller nail. You can definitely like zhuzh it up like I did to this one and kind of color coordinated it. I just wanted to actually see if I could definitely replicate the so-called water decals. And I definitely think if you put your mind to it, you can recreate anything. And I almost, to me, it just like, I don't know. There's just something nice about it when you can recreate it yourself instead of just buying it and slapping it on a nail. You know what I mean? So yes, there's that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Click, comment, like, subscribe, and share with the universe. Keep coming back, YouTube family. You know I love you. Follow me on Instagram, BC_Jazzy_time. And if you'd like to follow me on Twitter at NailsB, hit that like button, hit the bell notification. You guys will get notified every time I post. I don't know what the content's going to be, but it's content. Anyways, I hope you guys all have a wonderful night. Stay tuned and stay jazzy.